We know that clinical depression consists of persistent feelings of sadness and hopelessness for a certain period of time. Did you know that it is also classed as one of the mood disorders? Now let's explore some of the other types of mood disorders. Manic depression is another type of mood disorder which is also known as bipolar disorder. This is quite the opposite of clinical depression where you have extreme rise in your mood. Therefore, a person who is going through mania has an increased feeling of joy at an extreme and out of proportion to the actual event in the person's life. This does not mean that anyone who has mania is consistently overly joyful. Instead, some may also become very irritated or angry when someone gets in their way of their exaggerated ambitions. People with mania need a consistent stream of excitement in their life, where they may change friends consistently, have new interests, and are not aware that their social style may actually be overwhelming and excessive. So how is this related to bipolar disorder? Well, there are different types of bipolar disorders, and all of them are characterized by episodes of extreme mood. The highs are known as manic episodes. The lows are known as depressive episodes. Individuals with bipolar disorders can experience both mania and clinical depression, which comes in episodes. It's not that one day you feel sad and the next day you feel the extreme highs. You experience one for a while after another. The symptoms of bipolar are transparent in children. However, bipolar disorder usually has an onset of late adolescence or early adulthood. Although the symptoms and episodes of bipolar disorder come and go, the treatment may be required for a longer period of time.